Meat, fish, and other meat animals foods, fats, and oil. Meat is animal flesh that is eaten as food. Humans have hunted and killed animals for meat since prehistoric times. Ilan sa mga halimbawa ng pagkain na galing sa meat ay ang bacon. Ito ay galing sa baboy that is treated with smoke or salt and made into thin pieces. Ham. Ham is pork that has been preserved through salting and smoking. Steak. A steak is a cut of meat sliced perpendicular. Now, let us look at different types of meat available. The different types of meat we have: red meat, poultry, pork, and seafood. Red meat. Karaniwang pula kapag hilaw at nagiging dark color kapag luto na. Taliwas sa white meat na maputla or pale yung kulay bago at pagkatapos maluto. Poultry. Poultry can be defined as domestic fowls, kabilang ang mga manok, pabo, gansa at pato. Pork. Pork is a culinary name for the meat of a domestic pig. It is the most commonly consumed meat worldwide. Seafood. Ang seafood ay anumang uri ng buhay sa dagat na itinuturing na pagkain ng mga tao, kabilang ang mga isda at shellfish. Fish is a healthy, high-protein food especially important for its omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fats that our bodies don't produce on their own. Omega-3 fatty acids play an essential role in brain and heart health. Omega-3 have been shown to decrease inflammation and reduce the risk of heart disease. Omega-3 are also important for prenatal development in babies. Cod. This flaky white fish is a great source of phosphorus, niacin, and vitamin B12. Cod, or sa Tagalog ay bacalao. Although lower in omega-3 than fatty fish, cod can still be part of a healthy diet. Herring. A fatty fish similar to sardines, herring is especially good smoked. Herring or tawilis or tamban sa Tagalog ay naglalaman ng mababang antas ng mercury kumpara sa mga predatory species tulad ng swordfish, shark at tuna. Perch. Another white fish, perch has a medium texture and can come from the ocean or fresh water. Ang perch naman, unlike sa ibang isda, ito ay pwede mong makuha sa ocean or fresh water. Sardines. Also an oily fish, sardines are rich in many vitamins. The canned version is easy to find, and it's actually more nutritious because you are consuming the entire fish, including bones and skin. Tuna. Whether fresh or canned, tuna is a favorite of many. When picking fresh tuna, choose a piece that's glossy and smells ocean fresh. It's recommended that people limit yellowfin, albacore, and ahi tuna due to their high mercury content. Instead of white, which is albacore, choose junk light when buying canned tuna. Light tuna is almost always the lower mercury species called skipjack. Ang methyl mercury sa pagkain tulad ng isda ay isang panganib sa kalusugan because it is easily take up into the body through the stomach and intestines. Ito ay nakakalason sa ating nervous system. Exposure during pregnancy is of most concern dahil maaari nitong maapektuhan ang development of the unborn baby's brain. Fats and oil. We all need some fat in our diets. It's getting the right balance of the different types of fat that will help keep your heart healthy. Why we need to eat some fats? We need some fats para magkaroon ng energy sa katawan, para makuha ang ilang mga vitamins mula sa fat foods na hindi kayang i-produce ng katawan natin, at para sa malusog at malakas na immune system, at para gumana ang ating mga utak. Types of fats. Saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Saturated fats are found in animal foods such as fatty meat and dairy products. They are also found in coconut products and palm oil. There are two main types of fats, saturated fats and unsaturated fats, and we need some of both. But too much saturated fat will raise your blood cholesterol, while unsaturated fats are more heart healthy. Unsaturated fats are found in plant foods such as olive and vegetables oil, nuts and seeds as well as oily fish. There are different types of unsaturated fat which do different jobs in the body. They are known as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated. Monounsaturated fats are found in high concentration in peanuts, avocado at marami pang iba. Polyunsaturated fats are found in high concentration in walnuts, fish at marami pang iba. Monosaturated fat is a type of dietary fat. It is one of the healthy fats along with unsaturated fat.